The trailer of comedy Houseful 3 is out, which is getting superb response from all corners. Recently, it had a grand trailer launch in Mumbai where the entire cast of the film was present. Here, all of them share the experience of shooting for the film, hardships during comic timing match, and all the fun they had. Watch here.
बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. I was very nervous क्योंकि when Sajid Farhad, I'd first worked with them in Bol Bachchan, and they came and said that they wanted to do this, and then Nadyad came and spoke to me. I was nervous because first time मुझे ये एहसास हुआ कि मैं एक और franchise करता हूँ जिसका नाम है Dhoom, and I realize now whenever anybody who joins Dhoom gets very nervous, and they're all like, oh no, we have to live up to the expectations. मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आया कि why are they getting so nervous? It's a, you know, it's a fun film, but when I signed on for Houseful, I realized what the expectations are, and it's nerve-wracking. You know, you're going to be shoulder to shoulder two of possibly our best comedic talents that we have in the industry, and you're working on a franchise which is so immensely successful, and you don't want to let them down. You don't want to let down the fans of Houseful, and so it's nervous. You know, you get very nervous, but we all worked very hard. You have somebody like Mr. Irani, who's my acting coach, and used to sit every night in my room and rehearse with me. And then you know, when you have these three in the frame, you know nobody's going to be looking at you, so you're happy. So it was great. And then to top it all off, when Jagu Dada comes, everybody knows that nobody's going to be looking at these three either. So that's the best. So, you know, and I think Nadyad does a fantastic job of packaging a film. It looks great. It was a lot of fun. And I think the most important thing about this film is to have great chemistry. So the leader of the pack, obviously, standing right there.
Kishore Lulla sir.
So it was a lot of fun. But for me personally, because I was the new one, it was hard work and nerve-wracking, but I had a lot of fun doing it.
As much as it's amazing working with Akshay and you learn so much because of his comic timing, it's also very painful. But yeah, now being part of Houseful 3, I mean, just to be there from the beginning of the franchise and to see it grow and, you know, to see, like, you know, the addition of, like, different cast members and stuff, it's just been such an amazing ride, and to work with, like, two fantastic directors who really guided us through. I mean, you know, with the girls as well, we're pretty new to comedy, I think, and, but, like, we had such a great time doing, you know, comedy because we were under your great guidance and we were, you know, acting alongside such amazing actors who know comedy so well.
Well, I feel relieved. I'm actually, you know, 1 year has gone where I've been very tensed about films like Airlift, and before that, Holiday and Baby, and so all these films, I've actually felt very relieved, and I feel like, मतलब मैं इतना भी हो जाता था कि मैं साजिद फरहाद की बात भी नहीं सुनता था. I just wanted to do something, and but obviously I used to give one take what he wanted and one take what I wanted.
The story of Houseful 3 is based in London and features Akshay Kumar, Ritesh Deshmukh, Abhishek Bachchan, Jacqueline Fernandez, Nargis Fakhri, Lisa Hayden, Boman Irani and Chunky Pandey. It is set to release on June 3rd.